If you're an economic developer in today's changing economy, life is, well, interesting. The world has changed. Expanding companies are in control, and you have to change the way you market your company. Big time. Remember trade shows, direct mail, buying email lists, magazine advertising? Well, they're just not enough anymore. Turns out your potential projects are just normal human beings, and if your only way of getting their attention is to interrupt them with impersonal messages, then you should probably get used to being tuned out. So, yeah, it's time to put that dusty old marketing playbook to rest. Today, it's all about attracting your future projects through inbound marketing. But inbound marketing, you say, it takes so much work. SEO, blogging, social media, LinkedIn groups, marketing automation, personalization, segmentation, and more. It's a lot. But that's why we built Lighthouse ED360, the only inbound marketing platform for economic development professionals. Lighthouse ED360 gives you the software, services, and support you need to do business attraction the right way, all in one place. Now, some communities try this on their own, using a bunch of different marketing and media applications. That gets ugly real fast. They spend a ton of time and money on trying new marketing ideas and complicated marketing integrations, not to mention managing multiple campaigns, account reps' media messages, multiple social media logins, user groups, and of course, an endless supply of headache medication. And here's the even bigger problem. Coordinating all of these various tasks and resources doesn't allow you to focus on all your other day-to-day matters and existing businesses that already demand your attention. There simply isn't enough of you and enough time in the day to just get it all done. Also, weaving together a variety of applications doesn't give you the full view of every interaction your potential new projects have with you. That means you have less data. Your ROI is harder to measure for your board, and you miss valuable opportunities for personalized nurturing. Bottom line, you're getting very little return on a whole lot of investment. Lighthouse ED360 is different. Lighthouse ED360 gives you everything you need to succeed. In fact, the professionals at WIDA even do all the time-consuming work so you can focus on what you do best, building your community. So think about it. Instead of smaller, less effective marketing tool and media, why not trust your marketing to the powerful all-in-one platform right in front of you, Lighthouse ED360? And hey, over 200 economic developers nationwide have used and trusted the services of WIDA for over 20 years, making us the innovator of technologies that set the pace for others to follow. By turning your community into a Lighthouse ED360 project, you'll attract more attention, engage more leads into more landed projects, thus creating more jobs for your community. All with one platform, one login, one user interface, one database, and one team to count on for help. Turn the spotlight on your community today and become the Lighthouse ED360 for companies to be drawn to. Lighthouse ED360, transforming the way economic developers do attraction and retention in today's ever-changing economy.